Hello, I am Carl Cameron, and I bring you greetings from Ray City, Georgia. We're 6 miles north of Moody Air Force Base in South Georgia, and I am so excited about our up and coming community garden. And so many thanks to our City Council member, Mary Molay, for bringing this idea to the City Council on our behalf. And we're excited about being able to bring some unity in the community by planting this garden, getting citizens together, getting youth together, getting everybody that wants to come together to make this dream a reality so we can have some good, wholesome, fresh vegetables for our entire community. And many thanks goes out to the Farmer Veteran Coalition and also For Patriots for donating the seeds. We are very, very thankful to both of you. And I'd like to say hello to all of my fellow male and female veterans. We really appreciate you and look forward to seeing you again, hopefully at another conference when everything gets back to normal. So until we meet again, God bless you and take care.